weeds of the numbers and really stress yourself out a little bit trying to determine with the activity, when really all you got to know is be prepared, because all it takes is one storm to make an impact. There could be one hurricane or one named storm, and that would be the least active hurricane season on record ever, but that could be the one storm that impacts your neighborhood or impact your community. So all you're just going to do is be prepared. Stay tuned to the forecast when we give you guys updates, and we'll keep you posted week by week, because it's a long haul. It's 6 months, it's half the year of hurricane season. Out there now in the Gulf of Mexico, there is a little disturbance that could meander into the Atlantic by, let's say, Sunday or so. So in a week, there could be some tropical characteristics by then. There's a lot of warm water down this way, but the system's going to be migrating out of that warmth as it heads up the Gulf Stream. So something the National Hurricane Center is eyeing up. For us, we're not worried about it by any means. We're just dealing with our coastal nor'easter. And this area of low pressure kind of shaped up a few days ago when it came up the coastline by Sunday or so to soak us, and now it backtracked offshore, and now it's just stuck here. So we've got this ocean breeze out of the north and east, which has been plaguing us with the cloud coverage and the gloomy conditions, carving a little sunshine up towards the eastern shore, up towards the Exmore Diner. You're getting up there to enjoy a nice cup of coffee. The sun's starting to peek itself out. Temps are near 70 by 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon when we do get a little bit of sun. Here's the view from Chickateague. I don't know if you can tell, a little blue sky on the northern side of your screen, but further south across Tower Cam 10, it's nothing but May gray, gloomy conditions, and temps stuck in the 60s, a good 15 degrees below our typical high temperature this time of year. Late May, we should be closer to 80 degrees. This month has been impressive in terms of how cool it has been. And as we turn the table and turn the page to summer, we've got some new data that points towards a warmer season, or at least a warmer projection of June, July, and August. And that's a familiar sight we see here in Hampton Roads. Over the past, let's do the math here, 50 plus years, we've added about 3 weeks in the summer where temperatures are above average. So that would be by a couple degrees, by 5, by 10 degrees, indications that things just are warmer and warmer and warmer in the months of summers in June, July, and August. From the Climate Prediction Center, they're projecting temps above average. Now that could be by just a couple degrees here or there, but just keep that in mind while you're complaining about how gloomy and cool it is outside now. It may be real ripe and warm as we head through the months of summer. Maybe a few showers later on tonight with the ocean breeze as the low clouds move back in. Some drizzle, some fog, some mist for tomorrow morning. A few more breaks of sun for tomorrow afternoon, helping our temps inch closer to 70 degrees and maybe a few low 70s out there. Again with the fog and drizzle in a few spots Friday morning, but look at Friday afternoon. We'll ease off the breeze. We'll bring back some sunshine. The nor'easter offshore, it doesn't move out. It just slowly dissipates. It kind of just like backs its way away ever so slightly. We got temps to rebound into the 70s. Unfortunately, we do have to bring some rain into the weekend. Maybe Saturday night into Sunday or into Sunday morning, a nice breeze or out of the north will drop those temps into the 60s. So Bianca, Asia, it looks good at least for Friday and Saturday. We'll just watch our rain chances by Saturday night into Sunday. So just take advantage. Any little sliver of sunshine we see today, tomorrow, and Friday, just get out and take advantage.
Be thankful.
I will be thankful.
Wait, Aisha, I'm covering up this for you. There you go.
There you go.
Next week, we got a little warm.
I'm really hoping to see
it.
That's still too cold to beach it for me. So
78?
To go to the beach where you're automatically going to drop like 10.
It needs to be warmer than that.
Yeah, it needs to be
strong
like
this time of
80.
year.